The district attorney in Kenosha says a police officer will not face criminal charges for last summer's shooting of Jacob Blake. He says Blake grabbed a knife and struggled with Officer Rustin Chesky. Only after Blake turned his torso toward the officer with knife in hand did Chesky open fire. By that time, Blake had already turned his back and was reaching into his car. The shooting left him paralyzed from the waist down.
Joining us now is civil rights attorney Ben Crump. Good morning. Thank you for being with us.
Good morning, Robin.
Good morning.
So tell us your reaction to the decision by the district attorney.
It is shocking when you look at the video compared to what the district attorney tried to say occurred. The fact that Jacob Blake Jr. at all times is trying to get away from the police officer. At all times, he has his back to the police officer. So it is inexplicable how they can claim this shooting was justified because of self-defense. It flies in the face of all common sense, and it reeks of racism and discrimination when you compare Kyle Rittenhouse, a young white man who shot 3 people, killing 2 of them, and then with an assault weapon walked towards police with the gun, and they didn't see him as a threat, but a young black man going away from them with a knife. They claim that he's a threat, that they have to use deadly force.
Yeah,
there seems to be 2 justice systems in America.
And in the video we see him walking away, but the DA says that he did make a motion and slashed at officers. Even if that's not true, if a defendant...
It's not true.
Okay, but let me ask you this to follow up with that. If a defendant has a knife, what should police officers do?
Well, I pose this question to you. If a suspect has a gun, what should police officers do? They should try to de-escalate situations. They should not shoot first and ask questions later, as they often do with African Americans. But yet we see our white brothers and sisters who are threatening with guns, and they always figure out how to de-escalate the situation. But it seems to be a double standard when it comes to minorities. And so all we are doing is saying, don't police and shoot us and then protect and serve everybody else. And this video underscores and emphasizes the fact that there seem to be 2 justice systems in America, and it could not be more clear when you think about the 48 hours in Kenosha, Wisconsin, with Jacob Blake Jr. and Kyle Rittenhouse.
Let's talk about the fact that there's been discussion of filing federal charges in this case. What do you think the chances of that, and what has that happened before?
That has happened before. It's very rare, but it has happened, and we certainly intend to renew our request to the Department of Justice, not only to them to look at this investigation, but the shooting itself, but the investigation to how it was handled by the district attorney's office and the Kenosha Police Department. Furthermore, we plan on filing a 1983 civil rights lawsuit against the Kenosha Police Department, because when this DA did what he did yesterday, he in essence denied Jacob Blake from ever having his day in court. And we believe this young man, who is now a shell of himself, deserves to have his day in court.
Ben Crump, the civil rights attorney, we appreciate you joining us this morning. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Larry.
Thank you for being with us.